Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How long do you cook pork chops in the oven? I bake my oven-baked pork chops at 375 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until they reach an internal temperature of 145 to 150 degrees. I usually turn off the oven and leave the oven door open about 30% to let them rest for 3 to 5 minutes before serving. 14 September 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
We call them oven fried because they still get that delicious golden outer coating you get from fried thanks to the breading, but baking keeps them healthier. Stuffed pork chops. Now that you're a pro at baking pork chops, try stuffing them and baking with our baked pesto stuffed pork chops recipe. 16 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Bake pork chops uncovered first. More on the timings below, at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're done, the safe internal temperature is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove and cover with foil. Let stand 3 minutes before serving. 16 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.